Welcome to the Creative Glass Guild Guide to Cutting a Circle. I have here a circle cutter and I've got a sheet of glass here. What I'm going to do is take a circle from the centre of the glass. Now these circle cutters have a suction pad and they also have a glass cutting wheel at this end here. All you do is you snap the suction pad on, which will grip the glass really strongly, like that. Push your finger onto there and simply move the glass cutting wheel, which is tightened with a screw, around in the circular motion as you would when you're normally cutting glass. There you go, you can see it scores a nice perfect circle there. It's important to make sure that you score nice and smoothly and in one motion, otherwise it can be very difficult to break out. So now what you need to do is remove the excess from around the edge, the waste glass. So you cut in towards your circle in shallow lines, just up to the circle there, and then continue off, again keeping it nice and shallow so that the glass breaks where you want it to, continue off on the other side. Now take these pieces off one at a time. It's the first piece of waste gone. So I'm now going to take a piece off from this side. Okay, straight into the circle, stop when you reach the score, and then break that piece of waste off. Obviously you can keep your offcuts and use them in other projects. One more piece there, just using a standard glass cutter and breaking with your hands, which is obviously the cleanest way to break the glass off. And that piece won't quite go on its own, so we'll just have to take one more cut. Again, up to the score, stop when you feel the wheel hit the score. Break that piece off. And now I've got one more piece just on here. What I'm going to do is show you the pressing on the back trick that I showed you in the first video. Just press on the back of the score there, just should open it up a little bit. Turn it back over. And there you have one perfect circle cut from glass. Nice useful pieces to use later, and you can use your circular piece of glass for whatever you want.